Top 10 best badass and brilliant new AI art generator software tools, apps and platforms. That's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you in this countdown now. If you have ever faced an artist or creative block and felt uninspired to create art, or you need to enhance the quality, efficiency and consistency of your art creation process, then you are at the right video, my brothers and sisters. Also, I'm not only going to meet your expectation but exceed it by not only revealing the 10 best AI art tools but an additional list of 26 AI art generator tools, and all these are listed on my website bestsoftwares.com, which is the most bookmarked and shared website for software tools, apps and platforms on the internet. So let's dive in.
Now that I have got your attention, well, in this channel Best Softwares, I cover the best and the latest secret AI software, business tools, digital websites, phenomenal platforms and amazing apps for you. Stick around because I have a surprise for you and you won't want to miss the last two. This video would be brilliant and mind-blowing. Do wait for the end, either you would lose something. So let's dive in.
Kickstarting our countdown list at number 10 is Midjourney. This tool takes AI art to the next level, allowing you to craft mesmerizing visuals with just a few prompts. Its unique style blends seamlessly with your creative vision, making every piece a stunning masterpiece. Whether you are a hobbyist or a pro, Midjourney's intuitive interface and powerful algorithms will help you bring your wildest artistic dreams to life. Artists and designers alike are drawn to Midjourney for its ability to generate unique, high-quality art that defies conventional boundaries. At number 9, we have DALL-E 2. DALL-E 2, the AI marvel that's redefining creativity. Imagine transforming your text descriptions into vibrant, high-quality images. DALL-E 2's ability to generate incredibly detailed visuals from even the most whimsical prompts is nothing short of magical. It's perfect for those who want to see their imagination materialize into breathtaking art. What makes DALL-E 2 stand out is its ability to seamlessly blend realism with creativity. Describe a scene in as much detail as you want, whether it's a futuristic cityscape, an enchanted forest, or a surreal dreamscape, and DALL-E 2 will generate images that exceed your expectations. At number 8, we have Jasper Art. Jasper Art combines powerful AI with an easy-to-use platform, making it a top choice for artists looking to generate unique and compelling images. Jasper Art excels in customization, whether you want to adjust colors, fine-tune details, or experiment with different artistic styles. Jasper Art provides a comprehensive set of tools to meet your needs. This level of personalization means that every piece of art is truly your own, reflecting your unique creative vision. At number 7, Dream Studio takes center stage. Dream Studio is best for high quality detailed artwork with an intuitive interface. This tool offers a unique blend of creativity and technology, enabling you to generate exquisite artwork with remarkable ease. Its advanced features allows you to fine-tune and perfect your creations, making it a top choice for both seasoned artists and newcomers alike. Dream Studio isn't just another AI art generator, it's a creative power. It offers high quality outputs with a user-friendly interface that caters to both seasoned artists and beginners. Imagine blending your artistic vision with cutting-edge technology to produce stunning visuals. At number 6, we have Bing Image Creator. Bing Image Creator is best for effortless image generation with advanced AI capabilities. Bing Image Creator brings the power of AI to your fingertips with an easy-to-use platform that transforms your ideas into vibrant fit. It's perfect for quick, high-quality image creation. This tool has Microsoft's AI to create vivid, detailed images from your description. With its powerful capabilities and user-friendly design, Bing Image Creator is perfect for anyone looking to produce high-quality visuals effortlessly. At number 5, we have GetImage.ai. GetImage.ai is an innovative AI-powered tool designed for generating high-quality images with a creative way. It takes AI art to the next level, offering creators endless possibilities for artistic expression. By simply inputting text prompts, users can generate stunning visuals that stand out, making it an ideal tool for artists, designers, marketers, and anyone looking to bring their ideas to life. What makes GetImage.ai special is its focus on producing images that don't just look good but feel unique and full of artistic flair.
Now, before I move on to the next best AI software tools and apps, there are a few things which I want to address to you. Firstly, an economist has said that AI won't take your job, but people who know how to use and leverage AI will take your job sooner or later. So, if you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a freelancer, a content creator, a marketer, or just a hustler or a dreamer looking to be more efficient, more productive, and more scalable, then this channel, Best Softwares, is just for you. Secondly, remember, in this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, by processes, and by technology. And software tools and AI enables as well as empowers you and your business, and that's what exactly I am going to cover on this channel, Best Softwares. So consider subscribing. Thirdly, I highly recommend you to check out this website bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment, to take yourself or your business productivity, efficiency and scalability to the next level with the latest and the greatest around AI software tools and platforms. bestsoftwares.com is one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business software on the internet. So bookmark it for the rainy day because you are going to need it. If not now, then eventually. Also, don't forget to put in your email ID for a chance to win a surprise gift hamper and one newsletter a week, because you need to be constantly updated as well as constantly upgraded with the latest tech out there in your specific domain. And lastly, all the resources, tools, websites, and platforms mentioned in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Okay.
At number 4 is Let's Enhance. Let's Enhance is best for enhancing and perfecting images with AI precision. Let's Enhance takes your images and art to new heights with its advanced AI capabilities, perfect for refining and perfecting visuals. Whether you are a photographer, designer, or just someone who wants to improve the quality of their visuals, Let's Enhance helps you transform ordinary images into high-resolution masterpieces. With its advanced machine learning algorithms, it automatically enhances detail, refines textures, and optimizes color, breathing new life into your visuals without compromising quality. One of the standout features of Let's Enhance is its ability to upscale images while preserving their natural look and feel. At number 3 is ArtSmart. ArtSmart is best for smart and intuitive AI-driven art creation. ArtSmart is a cutting-edge AI-powered tool that merges advanced technology with intuitive design features to make art creation seamless and efficient. Whether you are a seasoned artist or a beginner, ArtSmart offers a user-friendly experience that allows you to produce unique, high-quality visuals in just a few clicks. Its AI algorithms are designed to work hand-in-hand with your creativity, providing smart suggestions and tools to help you craft the perfect image. What sets ArtSmart apart is its ability to transform even the simplest ideas into captivating artwork. The tool is perfect for artists and creators who want to experiment with new techniques or quickly generate professional-grade visuals for personal or commercial use. At number 2, we have NeuroFlash. NeuroFlash is an innovative AI-powered tool that offers cutting-edge solutions for creative art projects, perfect for artists and creators. NeuroFlash uses advanced neural networks to generate deeply emotional and visually captivating artwork. It's a fantastic choice for those who want to elevate their creative process with the help of AI, whether you are working on personal projects, marketing campaigns, or commercial art. What sets NeuroFlash apart is its ability to create visuals that resonate on a personal and emotional level. The AI behind the tool understands the nuances of artistic expression, allowing users to craft artwork that not only looks stunning, but also evokes strong feelings. This video is sponsored by DCM, an acronym for digitalchannelmarketing.com, one of the best and economical digital marketing agency you will find for your business. Digitalchannelmarketing.com helps you to publish your personal or professional brand on 400 plus news sites including Forbes, Yahoo, Business Insider, and much more at the best prices possible. You can also buy relevant followers, subscribers, likes, shares for your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, etc. From 10,000 followers to 100,000 followers for your Instagram. Also, from getting your YouTube monetized with 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subscribers, you can actually purchase more than 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, to 100,000 followers for your TikTok or for your Facebook page likes, and much more. DCM is very reliable. Another flagship service is gifting a website to your loved ones on special occasions, or other website services like resume websites, portfolio websites, business websites, and more. They also have marketing services like search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, graphic design, content and copywriting, and more. They also have a unique service called website traffic services, which will help you to get more traffic on your website, and these are relevant traffic. Or you can also get their service, which is video as a service. Like you can get your monthly video editing for your YouTube, for your TikTok, Instagram, and more. Check out their website to start, build, and grow your influence and business with digitalchannelmarketing.com. Go ahead and channelize your digital marketing with Digital Channel Marketing or DCM. In fact, if you want to start your own business, then highly recommend to check out their partners page, which will give you all the information to start your own business today. At number 1 is Imagine, best for transforming your vision into stunning AI generated art. Imagine is an innovative AI tool that brings your creative visions to life with stunning detail and precision. Whether you are an artist, designer, or simply someone exploring new creative avenues, Imagine allows you to produce breathtaking visuals effortlessly. Its advanced AI algorithm transforms your text prompts into intricate and captivating artwork, making it the perfect tool for those who want to experiment with new artistic styles or generate high-quality visuals for any project. What sets Imagine apart is its ability to turn even the vaguest of ideas into fully realized works of art. With just a few creative prompts, it can generate detailed, imaginative images that truly capture your vision. Now, as promised earlier, I wanted to make a few more honorary mentions on this video about AI art generator tool. At number 11 is Dream by Wombo, best for turning your dreams into vibrant, mesmerizing visuals. Dream by Wombo lets you dive into art where your imagination runs wild and your dreams become on. This tool leverages AI to create vivid dreamlike images based on your descriptions. It's like having a personal artist who can bring your most fantastical ideas to life. At number 12 is Night Cafe, best for exploring a wide array of artistic styles and effects. Night Cafe is here to transform your art with AI-driven math. This tool specializes in creating stunning, high-quality artwork with just a few clicks. With its wide array of styles and effects, Night Cafe offers endless possibilities for creating visuals that truly captivate. With its wide array of styles and effects, Night Cafe offers endless possibilities for creating visuals that truly captivate. At number 13 is Canva AI, best for seamlessly integrating AI into your design process with Canva's ease. Canva AI brings the power of AI into Canva's user-friendly platform, making it effortless to create stunning visuals. It's the perfect blend of ease and innovation. At number 14 is Lensa AI, best for advanced photo editing and AI art creation. Lensa AI provides advanced features for photo editing and art creation, blending quality with creativity. It's perfect for detailed and professional results. At number 15 is Google Bard Image Generator or Imager, best for customizable AI generator visuals with Google's expertise. Google's Bard Image Generator offers customizable art with the reliability and innovation of Google's AI technology. It's ideal for high-quality, tailored visual. At number 16 is Deep Art Effects, best for transforming photos into art and advanced AI effects. Deep Art Effects allows you to turn your photos into artistic masterpieces with sophisticated AI. It's perfect for those who want to add an artistic touch to their image. At number 17 is Writersonic or Photosonic, best for high-detail creative AI art generation. Writersonic's Photosonic tool provides high-detail creative art generation that pushes the boundaries of AI. It's perfect for detailed and imaginative art. At number 18 is OpenArt, best for accessible and versatile AI art generation. OpenArt offers an accessible platform for generating a wide range of artistic styles and effects. It's a fantastic choice for versatile art creation. At number 19 is Artbreeder, best for collaborative and evolving art creation. Artbreeder allows you to blend and evolve artwork collaboratively, making it a unique tool for creative experimentation. It's perfect for those looking to explore new artistic frontier. At number 20 is Pixarray, best for AI-generated pixel art with a unique twist. Pixarray offers a distinctive approach to AI art with its pixel art focus, blending nostalgia with modern technology. It's a great choice for retro art lover. At number 21 is Adobe Firefly, best for cutting-edge AI tools integrated with Adobe's Creative Suite. Adobe Firefly brings the power of AI into Adobe's creative ecosystem, offering advanced tools for stunning art creation. It's perfect for professionals seeking top-tier results. At number 22 is Stablecloud, best for reliable and consistent AI art generation. Stablecloud provides a dependable platform for generating high-quality art, making it a solid choice for consistent results. At number 23 is DeepAI, best for diverse and powerful AI art too. DeepAI offers a range of powerful tools for creating diverse and innovative art. It's ideal for those who need flexibility and creativity. At number 24 is Canva, best for user-friendly design tools with AI-powered enhancement. Canva combines ease of use with AI technology to streamline your design process, offering a range of creative tools that make visual design accessible and intuitive. At number 25 is PicsArt, best for versatile image editing and art creation. PicsArt provides a robust suite of tools for both editing and generating art, giving you endless creative possibilities. It's perfect for those who want flexibility and power. At number 26 is Starry AI, best for creating unique Starry-themed AI art with ease. Starry AI offers a specialized approach to AI art, focusing on creating visually stunning Starry-themed images. It's a fantastic choice for those looking to add a touch of cosmic magic to their creation. At number 27 is CF Spark Art, best for rapid and innovative art creation with AI. CF Spark Art is designed for those who want to quickly generate and experiment with new art ideas. Its innovative approach makes it a go-to for fast creative results. At number 28 is Photore, best for enhancing photos and creative stunning artwork with AI. Photore offers advanced AI tools for enhancing your images and creating eye-catching artwork. It's ideal for those who want to refine their visuals with precision. At number 29 is Crayon, best for simple intuitive AI art generation for quick results. Crayon is perfect for those who want to generate art with minimal effect and maximum impact. Its straightforward interface makes creating impressive visuals a breeze. At number 30 is Shutterstock, best for professional grade art creation and image generation. Shutterstock's AI lab offers top-notch tools for generating high-quality professional grade art. It's an excellent choice for those who need premium results. At number 31 is Prodia, best for advanced AI art with a user-friendly experience. Prodia combines advanced AI technology with a seamless user experience, making it easy to create stunning art. It's ideal for those seeking both quality and ease. At number 32 is Leap AI, best for cutting-edge art generation with high creative potential. Leap AI offers state-of-the-art technology for generating high-quality creative art. It's a top choice for those looking to push the boundaries of digital creation. At number 33 is Vance AI Art Generator, best for detailed and high-resolution art generation. Vance AI provides a powerful platform for creating detailed and high-resolution art. It's perfect for professional and high-quality output. At number 34 is Runway, best for advanced creative tools with AI integration. Runway offers a suite of advanced AI tools for creators, perfect for those looking to integrate AI into their work. It's an exceptional choice for cutting-edge projects. At number 35 is Generative AI by Getty, best for professional-grade AI AI art with a touch of Getty's expertise. Generative AI by Getty provides a premium experience with high-quality art generation tool backed by Getty's renowned expertise. It's perfect for creating sophisticated visual. And at number 36 is Deep Dream Generator, best for surreal and dreamlike AI-generated image. Deep Dream Generator takes you on a journey into surreal, dream-alike art with its unique AI capability. It's ideal for those who love exploring the boundaries of imagination.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Best Softwares, and I can't reiterate more. It definitely and highly recommended to go and visit this website, bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment. Bestsoftwares.com is also one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps and business software on the internet. Everything at one place, so bookmark it for the rainy day. If you put in your email ID, I will also personally send you the list of the top 100 secret AI tools in a PDF to your inbox now. Also, as mentioned earlier, AI won't take your job, but someone who uses and leverages AI in their day-to-day personal and professional life for more productivity might. So rather than being anyone, be that someone. And this is applicable if you are an employee, if you are a student, if you are a content creator, if you are a marketer, if you are a freelancer, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a hustler, a dreamer, or just someone looking out to be more productive, more efficient, and more empowered. This channel, Best Softwares, is meant just for you. So don't let somebody, in fact anybody out there, to replace you. Be relentless and start using technology and AI now. If you want to know the latest secret AI software, business tools, and digital website platforms and apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's try to empower other people who are in your shoes, because if you subscribe and like this video, then YouTube will ensure that this video reaches out to the people who need it just like you found it. So you have to subscribe and share instantly because it is free and it is easy. Also, click the bell icon below this video to get notified whenever I drop a new tech video for you, because you need to be updated and upgraded in this ever-changing dynamics of AI and technology. Also, please comment below which one is your favorite or which one do you currently use, to share the knowledge and help someone who needs it more than us. Join our community of insiders and achievers and stay ahead of the AI and technology curve by subscribing to bestsoftwares.com. and our other social media channels also, including Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp and Telegram channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in either of these videos made just for you.